Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your anti-ragging affidavit number. First, navigate to the official anti-ragging website. This crucial document, mandated by the University Grants Commission, ensures a safe and respectful academic environment for all students. You will need to complete two separate affidavits, one for the student and another for their parent or guardian. These forms are essential for admission to many educational institutions across the country. To begin the student affidavit process, locate and click on the student affidavit link on the website. You will then be prompted to fill in your personal information, including your full name, the specific course you are enrolling in, and the name of your educational institution. Carefully read and acknowledge the declarations regarding anti-ragging policies and the severe consequences of noncompliance. After reviewing all details, submit the form to receive your unique affidavit number. Next, the parent or guardian will need to complete their separate affidavit. Find the parent/guardian affidavit section and provide their personal details, ensuring they are correctly linked to the student's application. They must also read and affirm their understanding of the anti-ragging regulations and their commitment to supporting a ragging-free campus. Once all information is accurately entered and verified, submit this form to generate the second, distinct affidavit number required for the application. After successfully completing both affidavits, you will receive two unique affidavit numbers, one for the student and one for the parent or guardian. It is crucial to carefully record these numbers. You should also download and print copies of both affidavits for your personal records. Finally, submit these specific affidavit numbers to your educational institution as part of your admission process, ensuring all details align perfectly with your application for smooth and efficient processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.